coming in coming in to land at Denver Airport. Do you copy? I'm just getting static on this thing, man.
You know what? The radio's probably not working because I haven't shut the door yet.
Is that door stuck again?
There it is.
Man, you'd think they would give us better equipment, you know, right? It's
Yeah.
2012, am I right? What's that blinky light there?
Uh-oh. That's not good. That's our gas radar. It just got louder.
That means gas is getting closer to us?
Yeah. Gas is getting... They're going to refuel us in midair.
We've got to take off, though. Look, let me make an announcement. Okay, all right.
Oh, my God.
All right, look, we won't take off yet, okay?
That was obviously the...
Oh, but...
yeah. Yeah, look. Yeah. Oh, you... Okay.
Yeah, I mean...
We're here.
Okay, we're coming. Hold on.
Just trying to open this door.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh.
We heard some weird pinging in the back, and we just wanted, I wanted to make sure that they're
Somebody's upstairs.
Someone talking to the plane.
Yes.
something is on the wing.
Well, we can't possibly take off with something on the wing. Listen.
I'm going to open the hatch.
All right, you open the hatch.
Whoa!
Oh!
Oh my God! Look what fell out.
Jeff.
Gotcha.
That's not a funny prank. We're about to take off.
Yeah. I was gonna do the thing where you play tennis on the wings. Oh.
Jeff,
What am
listen.
I gonna tell her?
Oh, the gas radar! The gas radar is not on!
Okay, seriously.
Close the hatch!
Try.
Beep, 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 beep.
It's smoking! It's smoking now!
That's the fire alarm. That's the fire.
Gene!
Great job.